Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to do a fun challenge that I saw Nikki tutorials do recently, and I was just like, that sounds so fun and creative. I want to do that. So if you haven't seen it, it's the Google Picks My Makeup challenge, and what you do is you take the first letter in your first name and then the first letter in your last name and then put the word look after that. And then you go into the images, and the first picture that you see is the one you have to create like an eye look with. So mine would be R look. Okay, I think I could work with this. I could do something. So it came up with this. I think I could do something pretty cool with that, those colors. So yeah, let's see what we can do. So if you want to see what look I come up with, then just keep watching. All right, so let's just get started. I'm going to do the eyes first. Okay, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean, and I just sharpened it. It's just a basic black. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. My Melt Cosmetics Dark Matter eyeshadow is so black. I really like it. I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush 102. Just take it and then pat that on where we put the jumbo eye pencil. A more smaller fluffy brush and just go over the edges. So since it's somewhat blended, then I'm going to go with the Sugarpill Love Plus. This is just a red eyeshadow, a really good red eyeshadow. And I'm just going to take some of that on the same brush, tap off the excess. Sometimes you have to just keep going in like back and forth with the colors. Sometimes they can just blend away when you're blending with the other colors. So sometimes it can be a process, but you know what? It's a fun process. You know what? Real quick, I'm just gonna go and do my brows and then I'll be right back. Brows are done. They're probably not my best, but I just gotta work with it. So now I'm just gonna do what we did on the other eye. Okay, let's move on to liner. Take the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Liner in Goldrush. Okay, so this is the liner done. I think it looks good. And let's see, what were those colors? I think it was red, white, and yeah, red, white, and green. You know, and I think I'm just gonna instead of having that, I'm going to put a gold glitter there. There was really no need to put the gold liner on there because I just covered it up, but I thought this was kind of like fun, and but I feel like it's Christmas or something. But we're just gonna roll with it. Use the Lit Cosmetics glitter in Hulk for the green, Vegas for the gold, Firecracker for the red, and then Diamond Girl for the silver part, or white, but I don't have a white glitter, so it's gonna play as white today. And I think I'm gonna take the Koko lashes in Foxy. Okay, lashes are on. Let's get on to face. Okay, so I'm back, face is done, and this is the look I came up with that Google picked for me. I think it's definitely unique. You can see up close. We got the black on the lid, and then the red, I kept it right above the black. The gold, I did the liner, but then I wanted to add those little, the green, the white, and red. So I just put that on top of that gold liner, but I kept the outer wing gold, so there was still some gold left in there. And then I just put the black and then a little bit of red underneath the lower lash line. So this is Google Picks My Makeup. It's a challenge. You gotta take those colors and somehow work it into your look. I think I did an okay job. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this was very fun. I will link Nikki Tutorials video down below in the description box. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!